Good morning, dear students. The first chapter for class 8 already we discussed in the first video. Chapter was representation of geographical feature, but some topics yet to be discussed. Today I am going to discuss about that topic, that is map scale. Actually, maps are a graphical representation of the world or a section of the world. As a representation of the world, maps are compressed versions of the real world, meaning that a large piece of land is recreated onto a smaller piece of paper or a digital file. The relationship between the real world size of a graphic features and its representative feature on a map is known as scale. I want to make you understand there are two types of scale. First is simple scale. And second is RF. You can say representative fraction. The representative fraction, actually as per your syllabus you have to learn about only these two kinds. Simple scale means that a scale can also be represented verbally or in the text format. For example, the verbally scale like 1 inch is equal to 50 kilometer, okay, or 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometer. This is the example of simple scale. Okay, means that 1 inch measured the map represented 50 kilometer on the ground. This type of a scale representation visually looks very similar to representative fraction. However, representative fraction avoid the use of units in detailing the scale of a map. For example, I am giving you the example of representative fraction or scale, that 1 is to, that is 1 is to you can say 100 meter or 100, 1 is to 100, means that every one unit of, see, the every one unit of unit on the map equal to the 100 of the same units on the ground. Clear? Once again I repeat about RF. I think simple scale is very simple to understand, that 1 inch is equal to 50 kilometer, 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometer, means 50 kilometer ground distance and 1 inch is map distance. In the RF we are not using units. Clear? Units units we are not using in RF or representative fraction. Means 1 is to 100 means that every one unit, see, the every one unit on the map equal 100 of the same unit on the ground. Okay. In comparable terms, a RF scale of 1 is to, suppose 1200, okay, 100 feet. Clear? I think everybody got this point, what is simple scale and RF. Now let us, we are going to start contour. Now we are going to discuss contour. What is contour? Actually by definition this is the two equal heights or more than two equal heights joined by the line, that is contour line. But I am going to show you how to make contour maps. See, I am going to draw this contour lines or contour maps of conical hill. See, suppose the height is 100 meter, 200 meter, 300 meter, 400 meter and 500 meter. We have to draw this contour. The height of this 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500 meters. All are meter. Huh? Simply you make a straight line, okay, and this line join where you draw perpendicular on that. See, this one is 500, so you start by the dotted line, drop on the 500, okay. From this side also 500. This is 400, you drop 400. This 400 line. Next is 300. See, 300. Only you have to draw perpendicular by dotted line. This is 200. This is 200. Now both sides. Huh? This is 100 line. This is 100 line. Okay. See, you join this line like that. Like that. Now shape of the cross sections comes like a conical hill. You can say hill also. This is the shape of conical hill. Very simple to draw this line, this contour maps. One more thing I want to discuss. Now we are going to discuss conventional sign. Sign and symbols. Conventional sign and symbol. See, have you seen post office? There is written PO marking like that, but it should be in red color. Okay. Have you seen second is broad gauge rail lamp? You can say rail or railway, whatever. You have to use this black and white color to draw this. Black color here, same fill black color here, fill black color here. This is the sign of railway. Okay. Suppose you have to show in tree. You have to show tree in the form of symbol. You can see like, but you have to use green color. Okay. This is tree. Should be green color. Okay. Suppose you have to show heart. It should be in red color. Fill red color here. Huh? These are the conventional sign. So I think everybody got this, all the points, scale, kinds of a scale, that's contour maps, conventional sign. So I think chapter is completed. If you feel any difficulties, you can ask me, you can call me.